Nick. Today I'll be reviewing the recent change in market share of Uber taking over as the main ride sharing and pay to have someone to drive you somewhere service market, which shows the decline of the popularity of the regular taxi cabs in this particular market, leading to the airport changing the amount of taxis allowed to circulate out the front. The article I found has put a further advantage to these ride sharing apps, and the most popular one being Uber above regular cabs is WTOP.com. Headlined Popularity of Uber, Lyft, meaning big changes for cabs at Dulles. This article shows a 6.7% drop of Washington Flyer taxicabs trips leaving Dulles in 2016 and another 6.5% through the first 9 months of 2017. This is due to the rise of these ride-sharing companies that offer more convenient paying, comfort, and general experience than the regular taxi cab. One of the biggest things that has helped these ride-sharing services at Dulles Airport is the recent agreement to reduce the number of cabs circulating the airport, mostly to make way for the drivers from companies like Uber and Lyft. This is the original graph that shows the demand and supply of taxicabs at this particular airport, with the equilibrium being in the middle there. The determinants that I have identified that pertain to this event comes from the demand, which involves the tastes and preferences of consumers, which has predominantly changed to the new services like Uber and Lyft, accounting for the change in demand. Another determinant that changed the supply of taxicabs is a change in the quantity supplied, which is from the choice the airport has made to reduce the amount of cabs being allowed to go through the airport. Because of this, the graph has shifted, and this is due to a demand decrease because of a lot of people wanting to switch from companies over to Uber and Lyft, which has shifted the demand line to D1, and the response reducing the amount of cabs being allowed to circulate has also moved the supply line to the left over to S1, which has changed the equilibrium point from the intersection at the original over here and has moved it over to E1. Because both the supply and demand lines have changed to the left, it will equal out and the equilibrium price will stay the same. However, the quantity will reduce because of the supply reduced the number of cabs, and the demand having decreased because of the implementation of the new ride-sharing apps. Before the change in the price and the quantity, there will be a surplus in the amount of cabs at the airport, as they won't be used as efficiently until the reduction of cabs is implemented and the equilibrium changes.